Look, he's scared again. Casper, you want to go potty? Let's go potty. Good morning. Come on. It is 11:10. I'm about to go to the doctor's office and then meet Rachel again to start studying some more. But actually study. Oh my god, everything's swollen. And then go to gym later. Another day, same things. Say hi, guys. Hello. Finally left the place because they close at 4, and then they want to take a little break and go to West Elm. And then we're gonna pick up our food and then go to a different study area, aka Starbucks. Yeah. This is a different location than we usually go to though. Oh my god.
Ashley almost just got hit by a car, so that's where we're at right now. But honestly, we wouldn't care.
It smells weird.
I need Vicks. My nose is like...
Yeah, West Elm.
Are we gonna buy anything? No, because we're not homeowners. So.
We're broke college students.
Yes.
Thank you. Uh-oh. What? Rachel here. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. It's like cocoa.
That's a mouse. This one's a pug. Oh my gosh, that's so
What
cute.
is it made out of?
I don't know. It's really stiff.
Really
Hey, Ashley just brought us back into Sephora. She wasn't with us yesterday. I just like got into new leggings, so I kind of feel like tight. Kind of feels tight. Wow, we back. Deja vu. Deja vu.
This does not smell like peppermint bark. These one.
It's very minor. Nope, no buying anything today. What are you looking for? At smells?
Smell this. Are the presidents here?
Wait, oh wait. Can we like observe? Is the president here? There's a chopper in the sky. It was just Santa. Wow, my eyes look so sparkly. What is this one piece of hair? Oh, it's so bright. Is this what you call golden hour?
Color contacts.
We're at BB Bop.
After you, my lady.
Oh, thank you.
There's Wi-Fi.
How's everyone's meal?
Honestly, I'm like kind of full right now.
Oh my god.
Oh, what cookie is that?
I got a ginger snap cookie, and then she got a marshmallow and cookie. cookie. Hey guys, so it is almost 5 o'clock and we are relocating to our usual Starbucks that I went to yesterday. See you there. We're at our new study spot. Not new, but new. Okay, we left Starbucks. I am picking up my medicine from the pharmacy and then gonna meet Ashley back at the gym. My car has a mind of its own. Okay, and then I'm gonna meet Ashley back at the gym to hit some legs. So I'll see you guys later. On a level of 0 to 10, how sore do you think you'll be 10. In 2 days?
I can feel my muscle fibers ripping.
I'm gonna go home now. Uploading my vlog from yesterday. It's 68% uploaded. It's so much faster than when I had it at Starbucks, so it should be up soon, and then I have to edit this one.
It's just like my mama will start to worry. Beautiful, what's your daddy will be pacing.
I am currently looking at where to book our mom's birthday dinner on Sunday, because we booked at this like steakhouse we usually go to, but we're tired of going to those, so we want to find something more unique. You know, Casper's really scared of the camera.
Why?
Look. Casper, what's wrong? Yesterday he ran away from me. Oh, there he goes. Back in my humble abode. Hi. Did you even watch my vlog yet? I'm just gonna eat this clementine, edit the vlog from today, attempt to study. Probably won't, because I have to wake up for a work meeting tomorrow by 6 a.m. So I need to go to sleep early, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.